Okay, so here we are with our another unboxing video, and that's regarding our a new set of toy that we have added to our collection, and that's QuboPro Dash Cam Pro X. Let's see what we have got here. It says a high clarity video capture and 360 degrees rotatable. It also has a night vision as well, and it supports like 1 terabytes of storage as well. And yeah, it's a detachable design as well, with recording on demand enabled as well. Okay, without wasting much of a time, let's quickly go through the unboxing. But before that, the MRP says like it's 5990. I got it around 2.6 in the Flipkart Big Billion Days. Then let's start with the unboxing. I've already opened this just for the purpose of usage. We have a QR here which will be needed in order to do our installation and also the dashcam setup. We'll keep it aside. And what do we have here? This is of no use. And well, what is this? Okay. So this is our QuboPro Dash Cam. We see the look and feel is pretty much decent. I won't say like too much premium. I won't say too much like low quality or as such as well. But it's decent. And if you see, yeah, what do we have here? We have a micro SD card and a USB pin for the connections, and this is our lenses. And here's the power on button, and this is the lock button in order to fix this thing so that it okay. I'm not sure what's the lock button for because it does not seem to be working. Nevertheless, let's proceed further. And yeah, first impressions are quite well. What do we have again? So this is our adapter there where the USB goes in, and which can be plugged into your car. Yeah. What next? Okay. So this here we have our cable. Looks good. The quality seems to be very well, and the finish is also pretty much decent. And I would rate it like around 8 out of 10. And the length is also good enough. Let's quickly see how much is the length just on an average. Looks decent. I mean, like, this is made for cars, so they should provide enough length so that like it goes all the way. Let's see how much is it. It's pretty much very big, so I think that should suffice. What else do we have? Okay, so this is a thin sheet, transparent sheet. Might not be visible much in the frame, but this is basically to be pasted on the windscreen so that like you get a feel like how you can actually stick in your cam. And also you can peel it off. We'll cover this like when we are actually doing our installations. And there is one more, and this is, I think, which goes in to stick on the, it should be magnetic in nature, I guess. No, so yeah, that's pretty much that we have. Oh no, there's one important stuff left. So this one, most of the people are not aware what it is actually, but this is a really important tool that QuboPro has provided us. And the reason why I'm saying this one is like very important is because this actually helps you to plug in the wire inside of the pillars of the car. or the frames and all. So that is very helpful wherever, like, if even if you want to take them off as well, like this goes in and like picks it out. So we'll show you in our installation when we are actually doing it in our car. So at last, if I have to list down, yeah, so that's it we have here. If you see, this is all about the QuboPro Dash Cam Pro X. There's a wire, there's a quick guide, there's the dash cam itself, which is rotatable in nature. There's a socket that you can actually plug in. This is basically useful for the people who don't have USB ports, but my car has it, but still I might use it since I use them for my Apple CarPlay. And this one, as I said, like is an important tool you use to plug in the wires or within the pillars. There's an additional pair of stickables and also a screen, I think, which goes onto the windscreen. Yeah, that's pretty much. I'll catch you up when I'm doing the installation. Thanks for watching.